Hello, dear fans of Turkish TV series and show business. Today, we will discuss the top 5 latest and hottest news stories in the lives of Turkish stars. This week was truly full of scandals, unexpected twists, and joyful news. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. News 1: the long-awaited return. Our first news is for viewers who have missed seeing these faces on screen. Famous actress Fahriye Evcen and actor Oktay Kaynarca will star together in a new series titled Hamal, the Porter. Fahriye will portray a character named Hayat, while Oktay Kaynarca will play the role of Hamal Kemal. Filming for the series starts in September. Based on my analysis, I am confident this will be a very strong and interesting dynamic duo. Fahriye's return after a long break has been highly anticipated, and Oktay Kaynarca's rich experience in the crime drama genre is sure to boost the show's ratings immediately. This could easily become one of the biggest hit projects of the autumn season. News 2: scandalous drug case in show business. Our second story is quite serious and unfortunate. A new wave of drug raids took place in Turkey, and investigations have been launched against famous actors and musicians. The prosecution's list includes well-known names such as Burak Deniz, Mert Demir, and Hafsanur Sancaktutan. Furthermore, famous Turkish director Ezel Akay was arrested for cultivating illegal substances at his home. In my opinion, this is a major blow to Turkish cinema. The involvement of stars in such scandalous cases harms not only their careers but also damages the reputation of the entire industry. The arrest of directors and lead actors could even lead to the cancellation of certain series. News 3: Turkey's most handsome man revealed. Now, let's move on to positive news. At the Mr. Turkey 2026 contest held in Istanbul, Doğukan Navdar unexpectedly won the title of Turkey's most handsome man. He will now represent Turkey in international modeling pageants. The arrival of new faces in the modeling world brings a fresh breath of air to Turkish cinema. Considering that actors like Kıvanç Tatlıtuğ or Burak Özçivit also started out in such modeling contests, it wouldn't be surprising if we soon see Doğukan playing lead roles in major TV series. News 4: Turkish pop stars awarded stars in Baku. There is also big news in the music world. Turkish pop stars Edis, and Emre Altuğ received their own stars on the Seabreeze Walk of Fame in Baku. This alley is dedicated to famous figures who have contributed to world culture. In my view, the high appreciation of Turkish music outside of Turkey is a clear sign that Turkish culture is being recognized globally. Edis's standing in modern pop music and Emre Altuğ's years of hard work truly deserve such an international honor. News 5: is Kerem Bürsin getting married? The final news story, and the one that has fans guessing the most. A wedding ring on famous actor Kerem Bürsin's hand sparked a massive debate online. His sudden appearance wearing a ring fueled rumors asking, did Kerem secretly propose to his girlfriend? In my opinion, Kerem's personal life is always in the spotlight of the paparazzi and fans. If this is not just an outfit/prop for a new role but the truth, then we can confidently say that another grand and lavish wedding is expected in Turkish show business very soon. And that's a wrap, friends. These were the top 5 main news stories in Turkish show business for today. Which news surprised you the most? Do you personally think Kerem Bürsin is getting married? Leave your thoughts in the comments. Thank you so much for watching the video until the end. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. See you in the next exciting episodes. Stay safe.